Hold this. Hey, I'll go. Count 10 and then fire it. Just listen to me, man. Yay. Understood?
10, 10, 10. Event off.
What is it? I heard some crackers bursting.
Brother. Any issues?
Hey, come inside. Come. Hey. If you shout, then I'll tell everybody that you called me. Give me a kiss. Kiss me. I'm asking one kiss.
What is happening over there?
Who's that? Hey, come this side. See over there. Check it out. Who's
Go
that?
see there.
Come
Go
on,
check it
come
out
here, come
faster.
here.
What is happening
Can't
over
see
there?
anyone.
Go.
Brother, turn on the torch. No one is here.
Okay. Yes. Out of focus. Will you give me one more? Give me. Give me. Do it fast. Now it's okay. Darling, I'll be back.
I just wish you'd die in an accident.
Don't say like that. Your fiancé will come tomorrow.
I'll make sure my father knows all this.
Do you remember that your father was in hospital for a week? Bye.
We'll go away from here.
What?
I asked we'll go away from here.
But why?
We'll get married.
I won't come.
Why are you telling like that?
My father will kill me. He'll also trash me. I won't come. I'm really scared. You aren't talking anything?
You should think about it seriously.
We don't have the money for expenses. How should we live in future?
I will take care of that. I want a gold chain. We'll sell this.
Then where should we elope to?
Far away from here. So that we can live happily.
Open the door. Hey! You're smoking inside the house, idiot. If you have to be in the house, behave well. You're such a waste fellow in the world, idiot.
I've been trying to reach you. You aren't answering my calls. You're not understanding my feelings. I listen to whatever you say.
Oh, everything?
Of course.
Dot right?
What did you say?
You are my sweetheart, right? Can I give you a kiss?
No.
I will give one kiss.
Rita?
I'm getting headache just for your sake. Why should I come here for all these things? You go and bring her.
What I'm saying is,
How can I talk to her? If she doesn't come out from her home, we can't do anything. We don't have any opportunity other than this.
You go and tell her. She will listen to your words.
She'll listen. Hey, do you remember this, Mark?
Hey, it happened without her knowledge. Why are you dragging it so long?
I can't explain the pain which I suffered that day. Our classmates was teasing on me. I didn't forget that. I won't forget it all.
Is it important right now?
That's important for me. I got beaten from each and every girl in her classroom for her sake. I left her, otherwise she would be killed on that day only. Chill out, buddy. Don't be tensed. Past is past. But I can't do anything now.
Hey, you go from here. Don't cry. You
Tell her to
from
go
here.
fast.
I will call you. Go.
He's coming. Let him come here, then we'll see.
It will be a problem.
You just be silent, I look into it.
He is coming here only. You will manage it, right? I think he won't saw anything.
Will you please shut your mouth?
Who's that girl who was standing here?
Who?
Arre, there was a girl standing here now.
No one was here.
Listen to me, boys. I know everything about you guys. I was the one who told everything about you to the girl's father. You know?
Oh, I think you are that person who told everything to her father.
Yes.
Uncle. Please don't tell anything, uncle.
Keep your place to yourself, man. Listen to me. She's a Christian. They will not agree to get her married to the other community. Do you know that? Huh. I know this guy is only the masterhand behind everything. I will show you who I am.
Hey, go man.
If we leave these boys like this forever, they will spoil the whole town now.
Hey, Vargi.
Huh? I'm older than your dad. How dare you call me by name?
You are more older than my great grandfather.
Hey, you get lost, idiot fella.
Why are you going too fast? Just see this once and go. Can you able to see without glasses?
Oh God, this is my granddaughter's picture.
Correct.
How did you get this?
See this. She's only
How
kissing
did
me.
all this happen?
Huh?
What is all this? How did this happen?
Not only this, I have many more photos without even a single piece of clothes on her. Then when will you going to Thomas sir's home? After that I'll distribute every photos in my phone to everyone. Then it's fine. Come on.
When you did this, dude?
Do you remember that? You fired a cracker on that day? Cracker.
Listen to me, boys. Whatever I told, did you take it seriously? I was just kidding with you guys. You are a good boy, no? You are my neighbor village relative son, right? I know you are a very good boy.
Oh.
Please give that to me.
What's that?
All those pictures.
I won't give.
Sir, key.
Dude, I'll bring some food for breakfast.
No, you be here. I'll go and come.